The Palmtech Complete app makes it fast and easy to write and deliver an inspection report. Let's look at how it's done. Here we see a list of categories in an inspection. We can scroll up and down to see the full list of categories. To begin working on a category, tap on it. We can now see the inspection items for the grounds category, and just like before, we can scroll up and down to see the full list of inspection items. Let's start by filling out the driveway line. We can enter descriptions by tapping on the description and selecting from the list. We'll say that for driveway, we don't need to add a comment or a picture to the line, so at this point, it's done and we'll move on to walks. For walks, we'll mark them as concrete. We'll say there's an issue with it, so we'll tap on the comments icon. Here, we see a list of all our comments and we can select the ones we need. Let's go ahead, scroll through our list and select one for concrete, pitted, and chipped. When we do this, we have the ability to add in additional information about the comment, such as pictures, videos, as well as an exact location of the finding. We won't add in any of those, but we will go ahead and add in a rating. Here, we have our ratings, which are completely customizable by you. We'll select the requires attention rating, and then we'll go back to our list of items. As you can see, we get a visual indicator that we've added a comment, as well as we can see that walks requires attention. Walks is now done, and we'll move on to steps and stoops. We can fill it out just like we did the previous two lines, but we'll go into the more detailed view that we have available for each line. To do this, we'll tap on the arrow on the right. Here, we have the same entry options as we had on the previous screen, but we see more information at once, and there's a few extra things we can do. Let's go ahead and tap on concrete for the description. Below that, we have the option to add in media, which is what we would tap if we wanted to add in a general picture or a general video for the line. After that, we have a spot where we can add in a location, followed by a place where we can add in any general information about the item. If we look back at the top, we'll see we have a comments view. This is our comments list for the line, and we'll go ahead and select missing handrails. We'll assign it a rating of safety, tap back, and let's go ahead and tap on our Add Media button to see how to add in a picture or a video. Our camera view is brought up, and there's a couple things to cover here. First, you can quickly switch between taking a video and a photo. Second, if you wanted to add in a photo or video that's already on your device, you can access your camera roll or your gallery in the top right corner. Let's go ahead and take a few pictures, and we'll pretend that we're actually looking at some steps with some missing handrails. In the left corner, we're able to see how many pictures and videos we've taken. Once we're finished, we'll tap on Done. Here, we're able to see the media we just added in, and if we wanted to add markups or make edits to them, we could easily do that by simply tapping on one. There are a ton of edit options available for both pictures and videos that you can take advantage of. We could also tap the Add Location option if we wanted to call out a specific location for the finding. However, we'll say this line is done, so we'll go ahead and go back to our list of items. That's how you write a report. You simply work your way through the rest of the report following the few simple steps we just went over. Once finished and ready to deliver a report, we can go ahead and go back again to come back to our inspection overview screen. Here, we're able to add a main cover photo for the report, as well as review all the findings here at the bottom. When we're ready to deliver the report, we'll tap the Mark Complete button, and this will change the status to complete and send an email to your client.